from BS Mathematics 1A and welcome to my series, Learn Python Modules with me. And for today's video, ang aaralin natin is all about statistics module. So ano nga ba ang statistics module? Statistics module is a built-in library in Python that you can use in simple statistical analysis in small sets of data. This also can be used in descriptive statistics such as mean, median, mode, standard deviation, all that you can think of. And if you want to learn more, continue on watching this video dahil marami pa kayong matututunan kasama ako. Kaya tara na, mag-aral!
So, hello again guys. So, okay, let's proceed na sa ating tutorial. So, first of all, ang gagawin natin is i-import natin yung ating module, which is import statistics as st. So, meron ditong as st kasi we will be using the variable st kapag gagamitin natin yung statistics module kasi para lang mapaigli natin yung word na statistics. Pero optional naman siya kasi you can still use statistics lang. Wala na, hindi nyo nalalagyan ng variable if masipag kayo mag-type. Pero for me kasi mas prefer ko na meron variable to represent statistics since super haba ng word. Okay, so ngayon maglagay muna tayo ng ating dataset. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, dalawa pa, 6, and 9. Ayan. So, we have our dataset na. So, meron tayong 10 elements sa loob ng dataset natin. Okay, so, kuhanin muna natin ngayon is ang mean ng ating dataset. Since ang mean sa mga basics sa descriptive statistics. So, okay, let's get the mean. Let's say the mean is M. Okay, so, ST. Ayan. So, since ginamit natin ang variable na ST to represent statistics, so we will put ST dot kung ano yung gusto natin kunin, which is the mean. And then, sa parenthesis, let's input N since ayun yung data na pagkukuhanan. Okay, so let's print M. Ayan. So, we have 5.5 as our mean. Okay, so aside from mean, syempre, measures of central tendency then is median. So, let's find the median. Let's say X is the median. And ST again, since yun yung variable, so we can use the statistics module. ST dot, ano bang hinahanap natin? Median. Okay, ayun, median. Nalabas naman siya. And parenthesis, kung ano yung dataset, N, which is N. Okay. And let's print X. Ayan. So, our median is 5.5. So, aside from median, pwede din natin makuha ang median high and median low. Median high and median low is usually used kapag even numbers yung elements, even numbers yung number ng elements sa ating set, which is in this case, even number siya kasi we have 10 elements in our dataset. So, let's find out the median high muna. So, Y, let's say Y is the median high. So, ST dot median underscore high in dataset N. Okay, so let's print Y. Okay, so the median high is 6 in our dataset. So, ang next natin, let's find out the median low naman. So, ST again, dot median underscore low, since yun yung gusto nating hanapin. And then, variable N, Z. Okay, so our median low is 5. Okay, so let's proceed naman sa mode. Okay, so let's say MO is the mode. So, ST dot mode and N. Okay, so actually super simple lang naman talaga pag hahanapin mo yung mga gusto mong hanapin na functions kasi yan lang siya, st.mode, median low, median high, median, mean. Hindi na siya super complicated and in just one click mafa-find out mo katulad niyan, st.mode and then our mode is 3. So hindi mo na kailangan ng for loops and while loops para lang ma-implement yung mga function na ganito dahil meron namang built-in library ang Python para dito. Okay, so after that, let's try naman standard deviation since this is also one of the most important sa mga descriptive statistics. Okay, so let's see. Let's say SD represents standard deviation. st.stdev. So yan, stdev yung itatype natin if we're looking for standard deviation. So, pinaikli lang din talaga to. And ito naman talaga yung kailangan mong itype para ma-implement mo siya sa using the statistics module. So, yun. Standard deviation of n. Okay, so SD and n. So, ganun kadali. Super dali. Super. Isang click mo lang, makikita mo na agad kung ano yung standard deviation. Wala na yung sobrang habang mga for loops para lang makuha mo siya. Okay. So, aside from standard deviation, let's try to get the variance. Okay, so V, let's say V is equal to, again, ST dot variance. Yan. Variance yung kailangan mong i-type para magamit mo yung variance na function sa statistics module. So, again, type N and print V. Okay, so yun, makita natin, this is our variance. So, actually, ayun lang naman talaga. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo is yung mga basics ng descriptive statistics, which is yung mga measures of central tendency, and we have two of the measures of dispersion, which is standard deviation and variance. And so, pwede ka namang gumamit ng iba pa na functions while you explore the statistics module. Pero for today, tinuruan ko lang kayo kung paano siya gamitin. So, ayan. I hope natutunan nyo kung paano siya gamitin. And I think that's all lang naman. So, after this, I hope madalian na kayo sa mga program na gagawin nyo na kailangan nyong isolve or i-calculate ang descriptive statistics and other simple statistical analysis lang in small dataset kasi yun lang yung kaya ng statistics. So, I hope na inspire or motivate kayo para to learn more about the statistics module since yung tinuro ko sa inyo is basic lang talaga. So, ayun lang. I hope you learned something and sana nag-enjoy kayo. And thank you so much na umabot kayo sa dulo ng video. And yun, I hope you learned something from me. And yun, always remember, kaya niyan, be a smart kid.